Delaware judge once again rejects Elon Musk's $56 billion Tesla compensation package. In a significant legal development, a Delaware court has once again rejected Tesla CEO Elon Musk's massive $56 billion compensation package, marking another legal defeat for the billionaire entrepreneur. The decision by Chancellor Kathaleen McCormick of the Delaware Court of Chancery reaffirms her earlier ruling from January that invalidated the record-breaking pay deal due to procedural and ethical concerns. The background: the disputed pay package, initially approved in 2018, has faced intense scrutiny for alleged conflicts of interest and insufficient transparency. Chancellor McCormick previously determined that the deal was tainted by extensive ties between Musk and Tesla board members responsible for negotiating and approving it. She also cited a lack of adequate disclosure about these relationships to Tesla shareholders. To counter McCormick's decision, Tesla's board mounted a vigorous campaign to secure shareholder approval for the pay package a second time. In June, the board argued that reforms, such as the appointment of an independent committee, had addressed the issues cited in McCormick's initial ruling. A majority of shareholders voted in favor of the package again after an aggressive public relations push, including a letter from Tesla chair Robin Denholm advocating for the deal as crucial for retaining Musk's leadership. However, in her latest ruling, McCormick dismissed these efforts as insufficient. She criticized Tesla for presenting the same compensation plan previously invalidated and argued that the second shareholder vote failed to rectify the underlying legal and ethical breaches. Conflict of interest and misstatements: McCormick highlighted that Musk's significant influence over the board undermined the deal's integrity. By law, Tesla's board members owe shareholders a duty of loyalty, and the judge found that the initial approval process breached this duty. She emphasized that a shareholder vote alone cannot legitimize a transaction involving a conflicted party. Furthermore, McCormick pointed out multiple inaccuracies in Tesla's communications to shareholders, particularly in proxy statements. She accused the company of misleading shareholders by claiming that the second vote would remedy the legal flaws identified in her earlier ruling. Reactions and implications: Tesla and Musk are expected to appeal the ruling, potentially escalating the case to Delaware's Supreme Court. Meanwhile, Tesla's stock, which rose over 3% earlier on Monday, dipped in after-hours trading following the decision. Chancellor McCormick's ruling has broader implications for corporate governance and executive compensation. Legal experts speculate that the case could reach the U.S. Supreme Court, given its potential to set a precedent for how conflicts of interest in executive pay are handled. Additional developments: the ruling also capped legal fees for the plaintiff's attorneys at $345 million. A significant amount but far less than the $5 billion initially sought. McCormick described the awarded amount as an appropriate sum to reward a total victory. Musk, whose time is already divided among ventures such as SpaceX, X.com, formerly Twitter, and The Boring Company, is now also expected to play a pivotal role in President-elect Donald Trump's administration. Musk